Hey guys, today we are mastering the redesigned camera app on iOS 26. If you have any iPhone and you have iOS 26 and you want to use camera, so you must have to know the new feature of camera app. So you have to open your camera. In camera, as you can see that there's a HTC or resolution option in the top left corner. Simply tap on that and you can easily select the resolution for your video or photo from here. Or if you want to get more settings, so you can easily tap on these six dots in the top right corner and you will get the menu option here. Or you can easily access the flash from here and simply tap on that and your flash will be enable or disable. Or now if you are using an iPhone, so in iPhone this means that you have to select the camera mode from this section, but in the latest update you can easily access the camera mode simply swiping your screen. And from here you can easily access different lenses. Or if you want to get this type settings menu, so you can simply tap on the option which might be there's a photo, simply tap on that and you can see there's the settings on your photo option. You must have to tap on the video mode or photo mode which you have, then tap on it again and you will get more settings. So that's how you can easily use redesigned camera app in your iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.